Spending a few days in New York City as a tourist? Well, let me tell you where to run while you're here in New York City. If you're staying close to the west side, check out the Hudson River Park. With 4 miles of pavement, you can take in views of the Hudson River. What better way to explore Chelsea Piers than to run through it? You'll also pass by Little Island, which I will include a link to the video that I made about that visit. As you make your way south, you'll see the One World Trade Tower in the distance. As much as I would have loved to go to the very southern end, we had other plans that day, so we had to turn around. So, major tourist fail. Just a reminder to always check the hours before coming. So they changed the hours on me. It's the weekend. It's 6:30 right now, but unfortunately they don't open until 9. Well, since we can't run the High Line this morning because we got up too early, we're gonna do plan B, which is we're back here at the Hudson River Park, and instead of running south like we did yesterday, we're gonna run north. Again, you'll see views of the Hudson River. You'll run by the legendary aircraft carrier, the Intrepid, and maybe you'll go back and visit the actual museum. At some point, you'll run out of real estate and the route will become the Riverside Park South around 59th Street. It feels like running through a garden. If we weren't here so early, maybe we could have grabbed a snack. Time to head back for another day of sightseeing. Of course, you have to visit Central Park when in New York City. What better way to see Central Park than to run it? So this morning what we're going to do is we're going to do the 6-mile loop. There are other shorter running paths, but I'm most familiar with the 6-mile loop because it's almost like running the entirety of the park. The loop is somewhat difficult because there are parts where you are running uphill. But remember, what goes up must come down. Alright, I see one last bend in the road. We're almost there. And just like that, a leisurely run around Central Park is completed. Running around Central Park gave me fond memories of when I ran the marathon in 2018 and we finished here in Central Park. So remember to pack your running shoes when you go to New York City.